Welcome back to Concept Restoration. Here we have a 2007 Iveco. It's a Sunset Leisure campervan conversion, and it's in for a complete overhaul. It's 2007. It's covered 90,000 miles. It's a 2.3 HPI engine with 136 horsepower. It underwent a full respray about 2 years ago, and it's actually been sat in the garage ever since. All of the plastic trim, I believe there are 22 pieces of plastic trim, are being colour-coded. Well, they have been colour-coded already. I did that this week. There are new alloys to go on with new all-terrain tyres, new discs, new calipers, new pads, new shock absorbers, all to go on. A new battery's just been put in. Done the timing belt, a starter motor, an alternator needs to go on. A damn good valet, all the trim put back on. But lovely, lovely van. When it's finished, it will be. Doesn't look anything at the moment. But these are the all the trim that I painted this week. Come up really, really well. So many pieces of trim. They're all degreased, and a plastic adhesive promoter was used, and then 4 coats of high build primer. That was then sanded down, and once that was sanded down, 3 coats of direct gloss, 2K direct gloss was applied. So they will look fantastic colour coded with the alloy wheels. All the paintwork needs a light sand down again. New door hinge. The door needs to be put back on. But a really nice camper van. And with the current climate of camper vans at the moment, or camper van conversions, we should do really well on it. Needs a new trim, internal trim, which holds the window on. A new sights 400 by 400 roof vent. And a damn good clean. Panels need to go back in. New LED light up there. New diesel cap. Some lovely alloys from Italy are arriving for that in about 4 weeks. New trims being put on. But yeah, should make a lovely camper van. All the carpeting's going to be replaced. Plenty of work to do. I'm giving myself 5 weeks to do it. It was initially done by Sunset Leisure Race Homes, so it's supposed to be a 4-berth, but it's 2 adults and 2 children at best, I would say. But very nice vehicle, 90,000 miles, 2.3, 136 horsepower. If you'd like to follow the progress, please do. Please like and subscribe. And hopefully in 5 weeks' time, well, not hopefully, it has to be done, that will be completely and utterly transformed. All the colour-coded plastics on, the alloys on, discs and pads for calipers, suspension, bushes, MOT, service. Tasteful graphics on the side will be applied. That should look quite lovely when it's done. Please like and subscribe and help us with the journey, and if you'd like to see how it turns out, that would be great. I'll do videos, a couple of videos more until it's done. Okay, thank you very much. All the very best. Thanks for watching.